Hi guys! My name is Daddy Dance. We are here with Yana and Lois, and welcome to our boring YouTube channel.
Hey. Today we're gonna open my package. It's a mystery.
Let her.
I see you guys. I see you. I see you over there. Hi.
Hi.
I'm freaking here.
So we're gonna open Young Living.
You do it all myself.
Okay. And it's for Yana and Lois. It's a
I'm
starter
freaking
kit.
the juice.
Okay, what's inside?
Okay, remove this.
Okay.
What is this?
So inside the box. Wow, it's an owl.
The nightlight.
And what's this? Oilers. And that's it. There's nothing else in the box.
No, there is. Open this. Open this now.
Backwards, they cannot see you.
We're gonna open it. We're gonna open
Okay,
the.
in the box, there's also a product guide. This is actually a starter kit. This is our first time having
Yeah, he wanted
Young Living
something.
essential oils.
Yeah, I can't open this.
Okay, can we turn there?
I'm sitting in a table. Believe me.
Excuse Lois, no, they cannot see you.
Oh.
Like this.
This
Okay,
is a
here.
nightlight. This is a nightlight.
Let me see.
Believe me.
Careful. Okay, pull. I'll hold the box.
Oh, okay.
Ah!
There's nothing inside now.
Whoa!
What is this supposed to be?
It's an owl.
Daddy!
Yeah?
That's a pet! That's a pet!
It's a pet?
Hey.
It's not a pet. And this is
Here we go. Some scent.
water here. You put water here. And you put the oil. A few drops. And then it comes out here. Oh, there's also music. Yeah. Okay, let's try to test it out.
Yeah. I know questions.
What?
Hey.
Let's check first the oilers. So with this one, it comes also with a set of little starter kit little oilers. It has Genius, Refresh, Kid Care, Dream Ease, and TJs. Okay, here inside, we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first we have the Kid Sense Dream Ease. Next is the Kid Care. Next is TJs. And we have the Genius. And we have the Refresh. And there's 2. Oh no.
Do you have to choose one?
These are like rollers.
Dad.
Yeah.
Do you have to choose one?
Yeah, you need to choose one. Too.
Green case.
So we have here the rollers.
Wait, let's see this.
Wherein we can put it inside and like put it in your ears for the kids. Okay, and let's try this out. Okay, let's try it out. First, Ate, can you give me a glass of water?
Glass of water, got it. Clean water or dirty water?
Clean water, of course, Eli.
No, sink water is dirty water.
Tap water.
Just tap water.
Okay. Daddy, the owl is awake.
Yeah, it is sleeping right now. So you can plug it here.
With the hands to that. Oh, then
Then put water. There's a mark here where you can just put the water at the maximum. Okay, put it there. That table.
Here.
Okay.
It's working.
Okay, so let's use TJs. Smells. You smell it?
Can you smell?
Smell it. Smell good? Are you energized already?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's put how many drops?
3.
Well, we've been using sage, so most of the time we know how many drops, but let's use like 3 drops only.
Daddy.
1, 2, 3.
Daddy.
That's enough. We're not reading instructions.
Daddy.
And let's try it now.
Daddy.
Let's see if it works. How do you turn it on?
Manual, Daddy.
Huh?
Read the manual.
The owl is
Let's read the manual. Okay, let's read the manual. Oh, it says 5 to 8 drops. You just put 3.
Okay, can I have to put 3? Can I put 3?
You add 3 more to make it 6. Okay, come on.
Let's here now.
1, 2. I cannot see. 3, 4. Oh, that's enough.
No, I did have 1.
Just 1?
No, I only have 2.
2, okay.
Daddy.
Yes, Lois.
3. Oh no, I got an extra 1.
Silly Lois. Don't sleep in the box. Okay, 5 to 8. Sorry about that, guys. You need to press the toe. And it has 3 modes. High, low, and intermittent. The power is actually...
Which one? Which finger?
The one in the middle. No, left facing you. Ooh. It lights up.
The owl not wake up. Yeah. Daddy, the owl not waking up.
Oh, there. It's waking up.
He's waking up. He's waking up. Yeah. Daddy, can you touch it?
Yeah. Smells so good. And you can change the light. So the turning on and off is the like if you're facing the owl, the left feet. If you're facing the owl, and the right feet, like the middle toe, changes the light.
Oh, you can keep the smell.
Oh.
Like that.
Oh, ate, it changed light, ate. Look.
Huh? He changed. I want to
No
change
light.
it. I want to change it. He's got trouble.
Can you see it? So at the back, you will see there's like a sound music. It will make music as well.
Oh, really?
Like a white noise.
Oh my god, I'm afraid.
It's not a dancing music, Lois. Why were you dancing? And
Like
then-
this.
That's the white noise. Look. There's a volume.
Better not fight me,
And this is
hamster.
the
Better.
sound button. This is the
Better
volume
not.
button. Okay, there's like 5 volumes there. And then let's change the music or sound. Can you hear the sound? That was the rainforest. This is like water flowing.
Oh my
Not that loud though. Oh, so there's like 5 music
Daddy,
there.
with it.
This is the white noise. Oh! There's also 5 types of music that you can play. There's a white noise, forest with lots of birds tweeting, and water flowing. And there's so much to do with this product. Young Living Essential Oil. So there's so many products. This is only a starter kit for kids.
Oh,
And you can see in this booklet, the product guide, you'll see a lot of different products that you can use. And this is really cool. Young Living Essential Oil. It's really good. My kids love it. So we will be using it starting tonight and in Yana's room. So to order, just go to this website or link, and I'll show it on my description down below. If you like our video, and even if you don't like our video, let's give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. 1, 2, 3, boot, boot. You like the owl noise?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like it? You like the smell?
Yeah.
Oh, it's for kids, but I'm energized now.
Energized, really moisturized.
Yeah.
Shout out to Ate Catherine Gasser Warren and also Ate Charlotte Gasser Tesoro for introducing us this Young Living Essential Oil product. And I think we're gonna love it so much. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.
I got my hand. Don't forget to say bye to everyone. Oh, she's taking. Oh, she's taking.
Ta-da.